present simple. This tense is fluently used in English. In this lesson, we will learn firstly how to form the present simple and then when to use it. There are two basic structures for present simple. One is used for positive sentences and second is used for negative or for questions. Firstly, we will discuss about first structure. When we write positive sentences, we add subject followed by the main verb conjugation. Read. I read. You read. He, she, it reads. We read. They read. The only thing that we need to remember to add s or es with the third person singular. He, she, it reads. Now look at the second structure. When we write negative or questions in present simple, we need to add the auxiliary verb to. And this conjugation should be matched with the subject. Here are some examples of negative in present simple. I do not read. You do not read. He, she, it does not read. We do not read. They do not read. The only thing to remember to add does not with the third person singular only. When forming a question, we place the do or does before the subject. For example, do I read? Do you read? Does he, she read? Do they read? Do we read? Using the verb to be is not quite simple as these. Just look at these positive sentence examples. I'm a teacher. You are a student. She is happy. When we're using the verb to be, we don't add the auxiliary verb do within the negative or question sentences. For negative, we conjugate the verb be and then add not. I'm not a teacher. She is not happy. For question, we just change the order. We replace the be and then subject. Are you a student? Is she happy? Now look up when we use the present simple. We use it when something is true. For example, the sun rises in the east. True. The moon has the white color. True. We use present simple for habits or repeated actions. For example, we go to the beach every summer. Habit. She studies every day. Repeated action. We use present simple for situations thought to be permanent. For example, she drives a blue car. I like strawberries. Thoughts. We use present simple for instructions and directions. For example, take my picture. Boil the milk. Instructions.